Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you on how to add audio on your image using Adobe Premiere Pro. Go to new project, then put the name of your file, then click OK. This is how Adobe Premiere Pro show for the first timers. It's not very hard, it's very simple. Just don't be scared by this uh panel because I think it's have four panel here divided into four. They both have their different function. We have this one, timeline display, editing, we have tools, and all these have their own different function. So you have to go to file, import. We want to import our image that we want to add the audio on. Let's pick our image and click OK. This is now our image. So we want to bring it this side. So we just click here, drag. This is our image. So we want to add our audio to this image. The first thing you need to know, your audio has how many minutes. Then you drag to exactly the minute that your audio is having. So use this select tool, and then now you can drag to this other end. For my case, my audio goes up to 6 minutes, 15 seconds. I'll drag up to that. Now, let's add our audio. You have to go to file again, go to file, click on import. Then search for the audio that you want to input there. Our audio is this one. Then now click OK. Open. Click open. Then wait as to download. So after downloading this now our audio, we want our audio also to come to this other end so that it can be inserted on our image. Click on that and drag. Kindly drag to this other end. This is our audio. Let's try to listen. Yes. Yes, this is our audio. Now let's check if our audio plus the image is on the same level, having the same meaning, the level, have the same minutes. So what just go, we have to extend our image so that it has the same minute as audio. Right click on your touchpad, then drag. Just drag until it reached 6 minutes. Check if you are there. Almost. Almost there. Continue dragging. Continue until we reach where we are support. Continue checking. Yes. Now I think like we have dragged our image to more than audio. So you can just bring it back by just clicking there and make sure you bring it back. It will show you a black line. Where the black line is, I stop there. It now look equal. The image and audio, it look the same size. Yes, this is it. Now if you are going to play your image, your image now is also 6.14 seconds. 6 minutes 14 seconds. Likewise to audio, 6 minutes 14 seconds. Now I think the audio and the image look the same, and you can listen and see if yes, that is now you can see now your audio is perfectly well. And now what we need to do is now to download. Now our image and our audio is already now insert on our image. The last thing is now to download our image plus the audio together. Now we go to file, click on export. We go to file and click on export. Export is like save, but in this case we use export. Click here. Then this window will show. This window will show you can do some settings if you want. You want to be MP player or GIF. So for our case, let's just put it as JPEG. I mean MP player 4. And here you can also change if you want. You can just let it remain 3 GPP 355 by 288H. So I'll leave that way. Then now, maybe if you want to put the comment, here always you have to tick export video, export audio. The file is Matthew, output name is this, Matthew conflict, you see. Now, come down here. Come down and click on export. Then click on export, wait, as it is exporting your file. Give some few seconds. It's now giving an estimate seconds remain for it to complete. Say now your video was spotted successfully, and also show where the folder is. Go back to your, now go and check your folder. My folder is the one, I put it on one of my folder called video editing here. Then I can see, you can even see the time, it's 4:26. This is our video. Let's click there. You see, that is the outcome. Our video is ready. It's in MP4. You can send it to any. It has audio and image. Thank you guys for listening to me. And this is the outcome. Very simple and very easy. You can as well purchase this book on Amazon. It's called Managing Conflict Without Managing Conflict. And it's so helpful. It's written by Christian Matthew Adetunji. You can call him. There are some contacts down there. You can call him as well. And you can also purchase, you can place your order and you can still get the order by calling him, or you can purchase on Amazon as well. Thank you guys for your time. Thank you for listening to me. Continue supporting my channel. Look forward to grow with you together. Kindly subscribe and like, comment. Bye for now.